Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Rocket Giotto Evolucion, and this machine was brought in because it was steaming from the inside and it was the vacuum release valve that had failed. So we replaced it and now it holds pressure just fine. We also did a tune-up while it was here. Replacing the group gasket, screen, deep cleaned the inside of here with detergent, and then we descaled the machine as well. So quite a bit of scale come out, so it definitely needed it. But here it is working. We're going to test it. And that is beautiful. I think we finally perfected our grind, our mini grinder. I think that's about 2 ounces right there. Groovy. Alright, do a little steam. Rock and roll. We got steam, so we know we got hot water, but we'll rock it anyway. Oh yeah. Alright, there you have it. Rocket working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.